We'll move on to the first category, which was the award for the best development coming from an institute or academic R&D activity over the last 12 to 18 months. And this goes to an organization that's been developing user interfaces, developing printed customized electrodes for gesture recognition. And the winner of the award, which I'd like to now welcome up, is Fraunhofer IFAM. Congratulations, coming up for the trophy.
Yeah, thank you everybody. If you want to get further information about printed electrodes for gesture recognition, do not hesitate and come to our booth, number 005. And yes, we really appreciate it. And yeah, we are really happy, and thanks to all of my colleagues, especially to Jonas Deichun and Mario Kohl for your help. And yeah, thank you everybody.
Okay, thank you. Cheers. Thanks. So the second award category in print electronics was for an organisation who's had the most significant or impressive development around materials, at least according to our two eminent judges. And this goes to a company that's developed a new set of materials to enable 3D printed electronics. And the winner is Nano Dimension. Congratulations. Welcome up. Thank you.
Okay, thank you everyone, and also come and visit us in booth B03 tomorrow, obviously. Thank you also to my colleagues from IDTech, our German reseller, Sven.
Thank you.
Thank you.
And the third award in the print electronics category goes to an organisation for the best product. And here the judges were looking for a company that have developed a complete product based on a print electronics component or capability, which are now taking to market. And I think this one's a really exciting one, as they all are, but this one in particular because it's solving potentially a very big need. It's a new type of asthma breathalyzer based on a new printed gas sensor. So I'd like to welcome up the winning company, which is Applied Nanodetectors. Congratulations. Welcome up.
We are honored and delighted to receive this prestigious award. We've been working on developing a handheld device to help people with asthma, prevent them having asthma attacks. What's key to this device is a printed electronic gas sensor that detects many markers of disease on the breath with very high accuracy and at low cost, that can help the patient have a good quality of life and prevent them becoming ill. Thanks again for this honored award. Thank you. Bye.
So we move on now from print electronics to wearable technology. There's two awards in this category. We had two very eminent judges. So the first comes from GlaxoSmithKline, Matthew Heasley, and the second judge was from Huawei, Dr. Sakigawa, both of whom have presented at this event. So the first award was for the best development in either a material or a component being used in a wearable technology device. And this goes to organisations who are bringing feedback to touch in wearable devices. And that organisation is Novocentis. Congratulations.
Thank you. This is a real pleasure to get this award. We have been working on this technology for many years, even before my time, and we finally have a product that some potential customers like. We are enabling a very unique haptic feedback by embedding our film-based actuators directly in the surface of the product, so you can get very localized sensation, and sensation that can feel very different kind of things. So when you touch objects, when you scratch a wall, you can feel the texture of the wall and those kind of things. We do not have a booth this year, but I have some demo with me. You can catch me somewhere at the back of the room at the end. I'll be happy to let you experience what I'm talking about. But thank you very much. This is a real pleasure.
Thank you. And the second award in the wearable technology category goes to an organization making a complete device. And this goes to a company that have developed an optical wearable sensor for blood pressure monitoring. And unlike a lot of other blood pressure monitors on the market, it's non-invasive, comfortable to wear, and very discreet versus those traditional products. And the winner is Vicardio. Congratulations.
Firstly, thank you very much to IDTechEx for this award and the chance to be at this conference. And just to acknowledge the 12 years of hard work of Dr. Sandeep Shah, our CEO, his wife and the team in Welland who've given their life to develop this sensor. The sensor is a beat-to-beat, totally non-invasive blood pressure sensor which doesn't need any form of calibration and delivers an output. It's very similar to the arteriogram you would see with an intra-arterial line within ICU. So thanks again for IDTechEx for this award.
Thank you. Great. I'll now hand over to my colleague.
So good evening, everyone. My name is Lorenzo Grande. I've been entrusted with awarding the second half of the awards. So we're going to start with 3D printing, and the award goes to for best development in 3D printing to a company that was able to develop the world's first integrated metal 3D printed part removal. The award goes to Additive Industries, and Bart Liefering will collect the award.
Go behind you. Okay.
It's fine.
That's all right. That's okay.
Excellent.
Yeah.
All right. Thank you so much. First of all, to Tech Experts for awarding us this award. It's been a great pleasure to participate and to get the recognition. First of all, because we're new here relatively new to the additive manufacturing business, and with this great product removal module, we now further automate our Metal Fab 1 additive manufacturing system, allowing you to take the parts that you have built right out of the machine. So thank you very much for your recognition.
Moving on to the best IoT technology development. The award goes to a company that was able to implement, test, analyze, and replicate solutions for smart cities. The award goes to Facens, and Reggiani will be collecting the award.
Thanks a lot for this award. It's not just my award, but it is from our students, professors, members, and all the directors. Thanks so much. It's a pleasure to me to be here. Facens, it's a college, and we are implementing a smart city inside the campus. And I invite all of you to go there to visit us. Thank you. Thank you, Corinne. Thank you.
Okay, the next award goes to the best technical development for off-grid applications and energy independence. And the award goes to the company that is developing an organic redox flow battery. So I'd like to come to the floor to Francois Huber from Chemwatt.
Thanks a lot. We really appreciate the award because at IDTechEx, Lorenzo, you've conducted extensive work on flow batteries and the technologies of storage. So this is really for us a great recognition of our technology and the solution that we think is really a game changer in off-grid systems. So I would invite you, all the people who are interested in off-grid energy storage technologies, to visit my booth. It's quite easy to find it. It's completely empty because of the strikes. My colleague with all the posters and all the material is stuck somewhere abroad. So the name is on it, Chemwatt. Thank you.
So the next award is for electric vehicles, and the company that has won the award has developed solar-powered DC chargers for electric vehicles. So I'd like to ask the Technical University of Delft to come to the stage.
IDTechEx and the entire team behind this product for this award. Electric vehicles are here to stay. While electric vehicles are clean, our electricity grid is not yet clean. So I think with solutions like this, you can directly use the energy, clean energy from solar panels to charge the cars using the charger, but also the charger is bidirectional, so which means you can take the energy from the car and put it back to the grid. So the car can be a storage for solar. So let's make both the transportation and energy sector clean and green for the future using this. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Did you shake hands? You got them too.
Oh, okay, that's good. That's better. Yeah. And then the smile.
Got them.
Wow. I know the stage is just very small.
I know.
Okay, moving on to energy storage. The Best Technical Development Award goes to a company that has developed a innovative lithium-ion capacitor for electric vehicle applications. So I'd like to ask Zapgo to come here to the stage.
Hi, this is fantastic. This is a great honour for the team we have at Oxford of clever scientists and engineers that have developed our technology. And you're all going to want this because one of the things that we aim to do in the next few years is to make your mobile phone charge in 5 minutes and to make an electric vehicle charge in the same time it takes to fill it with gasoline today. If you want to find out how, come along at 10 o'clock tomorrow morning and I'll tell you how. Thank you very much.
So I'm going to hand over the floor to our company's chairman.
So it's just here. So the top's going to come back.
Right, we have a new award this year because we felt that there should be much more encouragement to the inventions that don't have to use poisons, and alternatives were assessed by our independent judges, and they came up with quantum technology super sensors as winner of with the quantum technology super sensor of the environmentally friendly printable inks, That's the winner of the Toxic Replacement Hero Award. Could we have our Toxic Replacement Hero, please, or heroine?
Thank you. I'd just like to say a big thank you to all those involved, and in particular the help we've received from the CPI. And finally, if anyone would like to learn a bit more about our environmentally friendly printable inks that can create smart pressure sensing surfaces and 3D force touch on a number of substrates at a reduced cost, then please do go to our website, Quantum Technology Super Sensors, and get in touch with us via our contact form. And I'm also here after the show as well. Thank you very much.
Okay, I'm back. So the next award is for the best poster. No? Okay. So the next award is for the best poster, and the award goes to the Manchester School of Arts.
Thank you very much to IDTechEx for this honour. It's unfortunate that there isn't an image of the poster that we've won for. Fortunately, the poster comes with a stand, so if you'd like to see what this is all about, which is 3D printed knit patterns, what's very gratifying about this award is that one of the criteria is that this is a research project that IDTechEx views as being ready to market. Please come and have a look at it and tell us what the market is. We'd love to see you on stand B14 either today or tomorrow. Thank you very much.
And finally, the moment everyone's been waiting for, which is the award for the best in the show. So according to the judges, the reasons behind the award were the good use of color schemes with a very welcoming blue light, which drew you into the booth. Staff were also very pleasant and knowledgeable about their products. It's a good example of a traditional company embracing new technologies. I'd like to call Erkun Incorporated to the stage for the Best in Show award.
We'd just like to thank everyone for IDTechEx for choosing us for this, and also welcome everyone to the booth to come by and take a look. Thank you.
Thanks very much for coming.